Weddings are so stressful, and like they're not even mine. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I do these types of things sporadically, but you see them on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays. There's also a playlist for these types of videos because I'm going to be doing eyeshadow today. I picked up, okay, so I got this a long time ago, and I was kind of going through old bags that I had thrown in my closet of things that I bought that I thought I had stashed away for later. Turns out this cutie was in there. Wait, open it back up all the way. So it's from I Heart Revolution, and it's the chocolate, oh, it's on the back here, chocolate dipped donut. How cute. Yes, I shop hungry. It's a bad idea, I know. Have you guys tried these? I don't think I've tried stuff from I Heart Revolution in like it's been a bit. Oh, it's been a bit. But yeah, I have picking at it. It's so cute. Look at the little sprinkles. I've been picking at it so much they kind of like started to fall off. Oh, they're on my desk. Well, someone's gonna clean that. But yeah, cute little sprinkles that you can actually pick off, because I actually did just to see. And let's show you what we, oh, there is a mirror. Oh, okay, so look at these colors. First of all, very nice, very chill, like semi, I mean, we can get away with like a basic day look here. And then of course your gigantic mirror. To me it's gigantic considering it's like the whole palette, even though the palette's small. And trust me, my hands are small, my head is big, my hands are small. I don't know where I'm going with that, but these are so cute. I want to try them. Yes, the first thing that caught my attention was of course the tasty and squishy donut on top, but we can do stuff with a product on the inside. I did already put my face mostly together. I did prime my lids. I used today actually the AOA concealer, wherever it went to on my desk, because I can't find my other eyeshadow primer on my desk. there's a trend and it's not good. But anyway, I'm gonna come in with these and see what we can do real quick. I mean, I really do like this brand, so I want to see where I can take this. Let's come in with these. There's 5 shades. Do you tell me what you are? Do you have names? No, we're just chocolate dipped. That's okay. I'm all right with that. It tells you nothing on the back, just that there's shades. So let's come in. I'm going to start with this darker brown right here. It's a matte, and I just want to come in real quick into my crease. Tap them, because I don't know what this is going to actually be like. And then, wow, okay, we're looking good actually. There we go. Different. Okay. I like that so far. Very nice. Very deep, dark creases. And then there's shimmers. I want to see what this will show up on my brows like. Let me just dry brush wipe this real quick. I'm going to come in with a bit of this. Yeah, not a whole lot. This is definitely good if you're gonna do a cut crease. 100% recommend. But as for my look today, no. Not needed. I'm gonna keep this quick and simple. Yeah, I'd say no. Definitely no for me. Alright, then I'm gonna come back in with this brush. And I want to try this gold here, like over most of my lid, because it looks so pretty. This is like a copper gold, or like an old gold coin gold. I love the way it looks. I wonder how it's gonna look on my skin, but I love the way it looks. Okay. That is what we bring to the table. Pretty nice. Okay. I also like that it looks like when I'm putting this on, I'm just looking into a donut. Makes me want to take this out in public and apply it. And I'm just doing this in the middle. Not so fancy. Okay. I want more. That's okay if I don't get it. Okay. And then because the rest of these that I'm applying, the two that I'm applying are going to be like shimmers, I'm going to come in with the same kind of dense flat brush. And I'm going to start with the darker one over here that's like a true copper. Or chocolate, however you want to. They didn't put names. I have to make up my own names, okay? Oh, that looks like it's way too much. All over my desk. That probably was not the smartest idea, but tap tap. Ooh, okay. Wow, I like that. Let me take the rest and kind of come over here. Uh-oh. Lot of pigment. Lot of pigment. Lot of pigment. Okay. Kind of try to stay between the end and the middle here. Ooh, this is good. I was a little worried because I feel like I added a bit too much pigment, but now I like it. All right, wiping this off. I'm gonna come in with this center one here. The glazed. Glazedy glaze. And we're gonna of course do it on the inner corner. Glazedy glaze. Glaze. And blend it up into the middle. Again. Yep. Ooh. Yeah, I kind of like this, like a lot. I'm not too fond of the concealer being part of this whole plan, but everything else overall is very nice. I like it. I want you to have more definition. Yeah. Yup. Yup. And I know what you're thinking. This does not look very donut-y. Nope. But it looks yummy. I'm okay with this. This is nice. I like it. There, I mean, I get the color coordination, carnation. I get the resemblance because here's like your little golden, tasty dough crunchy doodle. Pew, pew, pew. Like radiating from my center and the out, and then like highlighting. Got brown, that delicious chocolate. Perfect. Does not really like give the exact gold I was looking for. I mean, of course, my skin tone totally changed how it was actually gonna look on me. This is definitely like a greener gold. Now that I think about it, it's greener gold, not coin gold. I don't even know what that is, but I like it. It's nice. Well, the look, I like it. I don't know if I could go in. You could probably go in with just one or two colors. I mean, I'm definitely a fan of mattes. That's like my jam, mattes. And if you wanted to, you could probably just do the shimmers if you really wanted to, honestly. There's no harm in doing that. I don't entirely like the way it's laying on my lids. And I'm 100% thinking it's because of the concealer I used instead of the eye primer. That's on me. That's my bad. I'm not even gonna blame it. This lipstick though, we brought it together. ColourPop. Thank you. Even though this is a video about the I Heart Revolution chocolate dipped, which I love this. This is so pretty. This is like, oh, I feel like such a bad bee right now. This is amazing. I love it. Anyway, did you guys try these? I know I think I already asked, but did you try these? Any of like the little donuts? I think there was a strawberry one, maybe a vanilla one, but then I was like, I don't really like the strawberry ones. Look super pretty and so yummy, but then when you eat it you're like, oh, so much strawberry. And like the vanilla ones are just plain. So chocolate. Chocolate's different, but I like this. This is pretty good. I like this palette. Doodle. Is this like a palette? Would you consider it a palette? It's, I mean, there's a couple colors. There's 5. Yeah, that's a palette. Why not? I mean, I just thought because it's so tiny, would you call it a palette? But I mean, I've gotten like the little itty bitty quads and I call those palettes. So yeah, this is a palette and I like this palette so much. I'm probably gonna pick all the sprinkles off because that's just who I am as a person. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you next time. Remember to hit the like and subscribe if you like what you see. Bye.